I'm Vito, and this is Vito's Italian Cucina. We got a special day for you today. Today we're gonna do eggplant roll-ups. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut the ends off like this on both sides, just a little bit like that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right down the middle, like so. Oh my God, look at those. Look at those. So we'll start here. Egg white. Woo! That's a little bit too much egg white right there. So we'll brush some of that off of there. But I got all caught up in there, didn't I? Mozzarella in the first one, like so. Mozzarella, just like that. And then I'm going to put some carciofi in Italian. That's artichokes, carciofi. And I'm going to go ahead and put this like this. Try to place them in there like so. What's this? This is mushrooms. In Italian, it's funghi. Funghi. Okay, I'm going to teach you a little Italian today, huh? Then we'll just go ahead and sprinkle our funghi in here just like so. Just like so. It's Italian, a blue cheese, a gorgonzola, and marinara. I'm going to put that in the eggplant roll. Just like this. And let's see if we can do a little roll up. Are we ready to go? We ready? Okay. We'll just do this like this. Maybe this is what we're going to do just like that. How about that? Look at that roll up right there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my little toothpick. And this is a toothpick that is unused. Okay. We'll put this in here just like so. Just like so. And then we're going to go, look at that, how beautiful that looks. Mozzarella on here, on each one. We're going to go around and just top it with the mozzarella, just like so. A sugo, some marinara sauce here. And I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of decoration, you know what I mean? And so I'll go just like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a little parmesan on our wedge. Here we go. Come on. Okay, here they are. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? Take a look at that, huh? A little garnish from Go, the basil. And I want you to please try this. I think you're going to love it. You know, from Vito's Italian Cucina, I want to say grazie molto bene for dropping by. Hasta benedico, which means God bless you. And arrivederci, ciao.